We are going to learn how to make a book mockup. So here I have the book and the page I want to put inside the book. Let us begin. So first you need to drag the mockup onto the artboard. Let us adjust it. So drag it. It has been cropped. Hit enter or the tick mark. So here we have our mockup. Now let us also drag the page we want to place onto the new tab. So release. This is like, so we don't need all this blue part, so we can crop this. And hit enter. Okay, so we have our things ready. Now go to the tab where we have our mockup. Now using the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle like this. Now we have a rectangle and we want to make it a smart object. So what we do is we go to the layers over here, we right click on the rectangle layer and we say convert to smart object. Now it has been converted to a smart object. As you can see, this new symbol over here. Now what we want to do is we want to adjust this page according to the page over here. So using the selection tool, bring it over here and click Ctrl and T to transform it. So holding Ctrl, you need to bring these points to the corners of the page like this. Ctrl, and you can see when you click Ctrl, the cursor is changing, and when it changes you need to drag and bring it to all the corners. Similarly, the third corner, similarly the third corner and the last corner. So you can see that it literally looks like a rectangle. It does not match the shape of the page. So what we have to do is we have to right click and we need to select this option warp. Now you will find these extra points now, so you just have to drag them and adjust the shape of the rectangle according to your page. Okay, so it is still here. This, as you can see, like this and like this. Yeah, all set. Hit. Okay, so it's not proper here, so let's adjust it a bit. So Control and like this. Warp. So if you don't get it right at the first time, don't worry, you can hit Ctrl T again to transform it and right click and use the warp option once again. Okay, now it looks perfect. Now we double click on the thumbnail of the smart object to open it. So a new tab has been opened. Now we go to the tab where we have our page. We press Ctrl A to select it, Ctrl C to copy it, and we come to this tab of our smart object and Ctrl V to paste it. Now it's too big, so you can say Ctrl T to transform it and bring the size down. little bit more. Drag it a bit. Okay, I think that's enough. Or yeah, that's enough. Hit enter. And now what we have to do is we need to save it. So Control S to save it in the smart object. Now you can close this tab. You can close this too. And there you go. You have a page inside the book. Now it doesn't really look good. So what we are going to do is we are going to blend it. Go to the blending modes. You have different blending modes here. I think multiply looks good. So multiply. Now you have a page inside a book. It's that simple.